In this video, I will show you how to easily check deleted messages on any iPhone. Be sure to end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app. You can delete any conversation by swiping left and tapping the trash can icon. Once deleted, the conversation will move to the recently deleted folder where it will be stored for the next 13 days. During this 13 days period, you can easily check your deleted conversations and restore them. To do this, click Edit, where you will find the Show Recently Deleted section at the very bottom. Once you enter this section, you will see all the recently deleted conversations as well as the number of days left until they are finally deleted. If you want to recover conversations, you can select each or multiple conversations at once. You can then either delete them permanently by clicking Delete, or restore them by selecting the appropriate option. Here's how you can easily check and recover delete messages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.